MakeBlock is an aluminum extruded-based construction platform. Our goal is to attempt to make the ultimate construction platform that's easy, intuitive, and fun to use. With MakeBlock, so many kinds of movement and motion platforms are possible. You can build platforms with almost any useful wheel configuration, from 3 wheels to 4. You can also make vehicles with tank tracks. One of our most recent creations is our new linear rail system. Here you can see it being used with a camera. MakeBlock is unique. We are very proud of our rather clever threaded slot, which provides an easy, fast, flexible, and stable way for connecting parts together. You can tighten a screw anywhere along the threaded slot without the use of nuts. You can build a robot car in just 10 minutes, or switch it into a robot tank. This platform is strong enough for almost anything you'd want to do with it. MakeBlock is a highly versatile system, compatible with many standard industrial parts such as bearings, belt drives, and a variety of axles. We also have lots of options for motors. Our system is compatible with DC motors, stepper motors, and servos. For those of you who are into Legos, MakeBlock is compatible with many of the Lego parts. And there's even some compatibility with the Lego Mindstorm parts, including the Lego motors and sensors. We have designed our very own electronics platform. With our super easy to use connectors, there is no need to worry about connecting the wrong pins. All the circuit boards easily attach to the MakeBlock structure.
CaniBot is a smart toy robot that brings the magic of play back into the real world. It can be controlled and programmed from a phone or a tablet and used in a large number of play scenarios. During a racing game, CaniBot behaves like a smart slot car. You only have to control the speed while it automatically sticks to the lane. It's even clever enough to find its way back if you happen to come off. You can also use CaniBots for other exciting game scenarios, like sumo wrestling, jousting, or puzzle solving. There is a dedicated app and track design for each game. Print the tracks at home or use the large format tracks that we supply. But why not create a massive track right in your living room using ordinary black tape? Imagine the play possibilities! Playing with CaniBots is an interactive social experience that brings friends and family together. We designed CaniBots as a construction kit that can be easily assembled at home. This gives kids a practical insight into how a functional robot is designed and built. The build instructions are beautifully illustrated and laid out in great detail. Use the high-quality vinyl stickers provided to personalize your CaniBot. It's an incredibly rewarding experience for kids to see their creation come to life. Now, what is play without a bit of learning? Basic understanding of programming has become an essential skill today, but it's not easy to get kids started on programming. To help kids take their first steps, we created a simple and intuitive app called CaniTalk. It's a syntax-free programming interface that works just like a friendly chat tool. The text-based interface makes it easy for kids to progress to more serious programming languages like Python or Arduino.
We designed Atoms to be really intuitive to use, easy to plug together, real-time feedback through LEDs of what's going on in the system. We wanted it to be easy enough for a 5-year-old to use, but also powerful enough for a professional.
So far, we've created 13 modules, and you can build by following a simple pattern.
Blue bricks sense things, red bricks connect, and green bricks do things. So I have an accelerometer here sensing gravity, and if I want that to control the motor, I just plug into the motor and the signal goes from the sensor through the battery to the motor. If you want to control any green atoms or read any blue atoms from an iOS device, then you just plug into the Bluetooth 4 brick and now you can control them with our app.
So atoms are durable, water resistant, they click into Legos, you can sew them onto anything, and you can Velcro them onto your existing toys. It even comes with Velcro stickers.
With the Pet Monster Kit, you get the basic blocks that you need to make things that react and move. This kit comes with a battery, a motor, one light sensor, a knob, a record sound playback module, one splitter, some structural parts, and an AC charger. So with our Magic Wand Kit, you can control things from across the room using infrared, make a Lego house explode, or turn the lights on and off with a flick of your wrist. This kit comes with 2 batteries, an accelerometer, 1 IR transmitter, 2 IR receivers, 1 flip-flop, 1 exploding brick, an LED nightlight, some structural parts, and 2 AC chargers.
With the iOS Control Kit, you can remotely drive a tank, prank your friends, or even add some home automation to your room, all through the power of your smartphone. With our iOS Deluxe Control Kit, you get our IR laser and exploding brick, so not only do you drive the tank around, but you can blow up that Death Star model you made.
The iOS kit comes with a Bluetooth module, 2 motors, 2 rubber tank tracks, some structural parts, and an AC charger. The Deluxe kit comes with all of that and adds a battery, an IR receiver, an IR transmitter, and an exploding brick.
Hi, my name is Debbie. I'm an engineer from Stanford, and I was always bothered by how few women there were in my program, so I've decided to do something about it. I'm starting a toy company called Goldie Blocks to get little girls to love engineering as much as I do. Goldie Blocks is a book and a construction toy combined. It stars Goldie, the girl inventor, and her motley crew of friends who go on adventures and solve problems by building simple machines. As girls read along, they get to build what Goldie builds using their toolkit. I grew up in a small town in Rhode Island. My parents' dream was for me to become an actress. They never bought me Legos, they didn't buy me K'NEX or Lincoln Logs. It didn't occur to them, or me either. These toys develop spatial skills and get kids interested in engineering and science. I didn't even know what engineering was until I was a senior in high school. So to me, Goldie Blocks really is the toy that I wish I'd had growing up. A lot of companies try to take their construction toys and make them pink to appeal to girls. And while, yeah, it's true, girls do like pink, I think there's a lot more to us than that. So I've spent the last year researching this. How do you get girls to like a construction toy? It all kind of came down to one simple thing. Boys like building, and girls like reading.
Says if you met the girl named Goldie Blocks, she likes to think outside the box.
So I came up with a really simple idea. What if I put those two things together? Spatial plus verbal, book series plus building set.
She pulls the ribbon. Woo!
I took the story and my prototype and I tested it with over 100 kids.
We got it! Daddy, you have to watch this.
There is nothing else out there like this. First, they build the structure. Then they use the modular building pieces to design furniture. And then they add circuits to put in spinning windmills, elevators, merry-go-rounds, lights, and so much more.
Girls can customize their creations, everything from houses to cars, airplanes, and anything else they can imagine. Ruminate helps girls learn while they play. They develop hands-on problem solving, spatial and fine motor skills, learn about circuits, and build up their confidence. You helped us get off the ground. Without you, we wouldn't be here. Thanks to you, we've sold hundreds of thousands of kits. We're in over 5,000 stores in the US, Canada, and Australia. And we've won numerous toy and educational awards, including Time's #1 toy of 2014.
But most importantly, our community of Ruminators have inspired us with their amazing creations. Every day, we receive pictures of the things they've built. Everything from a light-up Golden Gate Bridge, to a rocket ship with a spinning propeller, a car wash with working brushes, a rock concert, a soup kitchen, and so much more.